What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be detailing the engine bay on the truck and getting all that body shop dust off the inside of the engine, and then also coming up in the videos, working on the interior. I already got the seats all shampooed. They came out really nice for 2005 seats. We got all the door panels pulled. We're going to put stereo in it. Got the headliner pulled. We're going to be redoing the headliner. So a lot of cool stuff coming. I already got the interior stripped in it, so I'll do a video on that when we go put it in the back together. And then just want to get the engine bay cleaned up, get all the dust off it. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're going to get the engine bay cleaned up in the Sierra build. Get all that body shop dust and stuff. Get all that body shop dust and stuff off the engine compartment. Make it look real nice. So y'all spraying it down with some simple green, and then we're gonna take a brush and just brush it real quick and then hose it down. And one thing when you want to clean your engine bay, especially on some of the newer stuff, if it has coil packs, just don't spray a lot of water on the coil packs. Your intake right there, don't spray a lot of water around there. Just because you suck it up in your intake and wouldn't be good for your mass airflow sensor. So just little tips whenever you're cleaning them up. We get a lot of them from people that detail them and get water in the engine, and then they'll get a reading for like the mass airflow sensor or throw a check engine light. So more than likely, if you just had your engine bay detailed, got a check engine light for your mass airflow, you probably have to take it out, blow it out with some compressed air, and clean it up. So grab the hose and get this thing sprayed down and see what she looks like. Alright guys, so we let that sit for maybe 5-10 minutes, and like I said, we're just going to go through and hose down the engine bay. Try to not get a ton of water on your alternator, on your electrical fuse block over there, and you're just hosing it all down. So if your engine's real dirty, you might want to use like a purple power degreaser or something like that. I'm just using simple green because engine's pretty clean, especially for 2005. I mean, if you look at it, it's pretty spotless. It's a 4.3 liter. Just trying to get it cleaned up a little bit. So got the hood piece right there because I still got to wire in my headlights. So I haven't put that all back together yet. And again, you're just kind of rinsing it off real gently. You don't need to use a pressure washer or anything. And then after we get it rinsed off, then you want to go through and just start it up and let it run, and let kind of heat evaporate some of the water, and keep the hood kind of popped. Like I said, we're just trying to wash off all that body shop dust that was underneath here. And then eventually I'll probably need a power steering cooler. These are real common to go out on the GMs. For whatever reason, I don't think they coat them as good as they do like the radiators and the condensers. So they always seem to rust, and where the lines go in, they usually break and then start leaking power steering fluid. So if you got a power steering fluid leak in the front, more than likely it's your cooler. Not too bad to do. You just pull the grill out, a couple connectors. So that's about it. That's about all we're gonna rinse down. And I'll sit there and let this thing run for a little bit, let some of the water evaporate, and then we'll go back and detail up the engine. All right guys, so we let it run for about 20-30 minutes, something like that. You see it looks pretty clean. So knocked all that dust off, looks really good. So now what I'm gonna do is, I already took some acrylic black paint and painted that cooler, so at least it looks nicer now when you pop the hood aesthetically. And then we're gonna go through and spray down some of the stuff that's black and rubber. I just like to use like a tire shine, like this aerosol reflect tire shine. It's waterproof, and I think it makes it come out super nice. So some of you guys may use silicone, something like that, silicone spray like for marine. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna do a light coat back and forth on the air box, some of the plastics underneath here. So just get it kind of detailed up. You don't have to go crazy with it. Stuff goes a long way. So like your air box, said just make it look like new again. Like I said, you're not going crazy with it. Excuse the dog barking in the background. But not going crazy with it, just enough to coat it and give it a glossy look. So then the air intake, and then we're gonna do a couple of the tubes and make it look real nice. So gonna get that done real quick and show you guys what the finished product looks like. Trying to shoot videos for you guys and handle household stuff. As you notice, we're not at the shop. I'm trying to get this truck done for Daytona, so trying to go up there at nighttime sometimes is a challenge. But so just gotta do it in the driveway. Like I said, we're just doing light coats on it. And looks super good. I mean, especially like I said, this truck is 2005 and just makes everything look way better. So like I said, we're not going crazy with it, just enough to kind of coat everything. Kind of protects it too from dirt and stuff sticking to it, but it just gives it that gloss look like it did whenever you bought it brand new. So we got the shield that's going to cover this. Got it down there drying still. Everything else dried up pretty quick. But that's about it. So engine bay looks way better. Looks just like it did off the showroom, I'm sure, whenever it was picked up. And let me know what you guys think. So if you guys are into detailing your engine bay, you know, it doesn't take that long, you know, depending on how dirty it is and what you got going on. But engine bay like this clean, you know, I spent maybe an hour on it and looks like brand new again. So not too bad. Let me know what you guys think, man. So we're gonna get the Sierra build going. She's getting there, man. What do you guys think? I think she looks killer. So like I said, we're gonna do something with the wheels and get something going on those. Maybe we'll just paint them black. I'm not sure what we're gonna do yet. No, just kidding, I got an idea in mind. But gonna get that going, and yeah, she's coming together. Still got a lot to do before Daytona. Gotta get the windows tinted, gotta get the stereo in, gotta get the interior back together. We're gonna do full sound deadening inside the truck. Hopefully Nokia, the same guys I used on the Sierra, the F250 build, hopefully they will come through. I just messaged them, so yeah, we gotta wire up the fog lights still, gotta wire up the DRL strips and the lights, and she'll be ready to go. So again, short video, how to detail your engine bay. Like I said, super good. Came out real nice. I'm really happy with it. All right, so if you guys are new checking into the channel, I'm Jason with an Auto Addiction. We're building the Sierra. We got the F250. Work on my wife's Yukon on the channel, and yeah, like to do budget-minded builds. We also got a Cutlass we're working on. Hopefully that'll be back soon. I'm not real sure. Waiting for that one to get out of the body shop for a while now. And yeah, so we're gonna let this all dry, and let me know what you guys think down below. If you got something to use on your engine bay, comment below too. Yep, that's about it. So see you guys on the next video. Appreciate all the support, and thanks for watching.